Again guys, so this tanker is guided by 3 tugboats. So as you can see, 2 in front and then 1 at the back, guided by 3 tugboats. Look at that, it's very big, so big. So sobrang bigat niyan kasi tatlo na yung dalawa naghatak doon sa naghila, tapos siya naman yung nag-guide dito sa puwitan. Look at that, as you can see guys. Oh lala. So tatlo yung naghatak, nag-guide.